All right, welcome to another episode of Man Tips presented by Talking Small Podcast. Today, I will show you how to replace a upper rack backstop on one of the rails. I'll show you kind of what happened. There's a part number W10195622. But anyway, so problem you got is you pull your basket out and all of a sudden, oh, it's kind of coming down. And it's coming down, you see, because back there, and if it'll focus, there you go, back there, the stop doesn't stop it. No, you see this over here? Stop stops it. Okay, so got an issue, so how are we going to fix that? All right, so we want to take the basket out and do that. Tab here, tab there, and you should just be able to kind of pull it out. All right. Now you see, because the stop's broken, this kind of came with it, which is fine. Pull it right off. All right. So this is what we got. So I got hard to see a broken stop right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. And I'm just going to use a screwdriver, and it might take me a second to get this where I want it. To kind of hold it. All right. It's harder than it looks not having somebody else out here, but I'm just going to take a screwdriver, and it's plastic. It's already broken, so just going to kind of beat it the fuck off of there. Sorry, language. It's got little ears in there. I'm going to try to pry it out. All right, there you go. All right, to put the new part in, I want to do this with the rack in place. So you get the rack kind of back behind it. All right, the part, you want to kind of come in like this. You know, you kind of want to opposite on this one. See how flat side there down? So you want to kind of turn it like this. And you want to... All right, let's see if I can get a good view. So what I want to do here is kind of put it near the end, put one side in, and just kind of snap the other side in just like that. And now you see, stop won't go back through, and then we'll load the basket back in, which is a little harder to do with one hand. But looks like it's working pretty good. Go all the way to the back with it. Tab, snap back, and perfect now. Another episode of Man Tips. This was on a Whirlpool WD-T710PAYM0. Thank you for joining us in another episode. Man Tips is presented by the Talking Small Podcast.